We're going to show you how to clean and care for a BLANCO Silgranit Puradur sink. Stains and signs of daily use can easily be removed with a scouring sponge, water and a little washing up liquid. After cleaning, just rinse with water and wipe dry. Often, greasy residues remain in the sink after washing up greasy items. A little washing up liquid on a sponge is all you need to remove even stubborn greasy stains from your Silgranit sink. Again, just rinse when you've finished and wipe dry to prevent limescale marks. Metal objects can leave visible marks on the hard surface of Silgranit. These marks are easy to remove with a little washing up liquid. Ideally, use the rough side of a scouring sponge. Incidentally, the best way to avoid limescale marks is to wipe your Silgranit sink dry with a microfiber cloth after every use. We recommend BLANCO Anti-Calc to deep clean your BLANCO Silgranit sink. Made specifically for cleaning BLANCO mixer taps and sinks, it removes limescale effectively as well as lots of kinds of discoloration. Leave BLANCO Anti-Calc to work for at least 5 minutes. Then clean with a sponge, rinse off with water and wipe dry with a microfiber cloth. For stubborn limescale marks or discoloration, we recommend, after deep cleaning with BLANCO Anti-Calc, the use of a standard detergent or BLANCO Active. Designed specifically for BLANCO Silgranit Puradur sinks, it provides the most effective results. First, close the sink and then sprinkle BLANCO Active powder liberally around the bowl. Then fill the bowl with at least 60 degrees centigrade hot water from the tap or ideally from a kettle. Sprinkle a few cups of the solution over the drainer surface and anywhere else where there are limescale deposits. Leave BLANCO Active to work for at least 2 hours and ideally overnight. When you've finished soaking the sink, clean it with a scouring sponge and wipe it dry. And you can be sure of the perfect cleaning results. If a sink is used for several years without being cleaned and cared for regularly, it can be left with marks on the surface that make it look as if it has discolored. BLANCO Active dissolves this layer of dirt and restores the sink to its original color. To retain the quality of your BLANCO Silgranit Puradur sink, please observe the following. Wipe your sink dry after every use. Use BLANCO Anti-Calc to effectively remove limescale and discoloration. Clean the sink thoroughly at least every 4 weeks with BLANCO Active or a similar commercially available cleaning product. We support our customers and partners in all service matters. Please visit our website for further information.